Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Panasonic GH5 camera, and now I'm gonna show you how to change exposure mode on this device. So first we need to open the menu, then scroll up to the video and menu. Then here, as you can see, we see exposure mode. Click on it, and here we have several options: B, A, S, and M. B is program mode, so when the camera automatically sets the aperture and shutter speed for you. A is aperture priority mode. It's allowing you to set the aperture while the camera adjusts the shutter speed. S is shutter priority mode, so letting you set the shutter speed while the camera adjusts the aperture. And manual mode is when you have full control over both aperture and shutter speed using your ring, this or this, so you can set it in settings too. And then that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.